Welcome to Coloring Book TV. And big up my brother Puppy Dan. Like, subscribe, and share. We're on a new movie.
You know the code, you know. One coloring book. I may represent for no other coloring book TV. Puppy Dan big up yourself, you know. But here we go on. One big up a fans from Mount Vernon, New York. You get me I say, so you know say in America that cause the fans them loud. The fans them there everywhere. Cause you see the fans them make it possible. Where moving him again?
Jealous boy, Babyfather.
Jealous Babyfather. So here we go and see a movie and me say I want to play a role here. Cause you see in a life, you have to make the youth them know. So you see sometimes, not because of your baby mother in a problem, always remember if you did it for the youth. You see me? Never forget that. You see me? So here we go on. My father, what's up?
Nothing.
Where are you in America?
Jamaica.
Okay, so you're in America right now, right?
Yeah.
Well, come on, sir. So I just want you to say, big up Coloring Book TV.
Big up Coloring Book TV.
Okay, so you see your special as a fans.
Yeah.
So big up mommy too. What's mommy name?
Big Coloring Book.
What's mommy name? What's mommy name? What's mommy name?
Annie.
Big up Annie too. Here. So here we go. I'm just big up my fans and my father. Just big up yourself. You had to go in a school?
Yeah.
Okay, so big up yourself. We soon connect. You see me?
Yeah.
Okay, alright. So here we go and you say fans things set now. So big up all of my fans. And you say a movie in name Jealous Babyfather. You see me? Like, share, comment and tell one thing about a movie. I want Coloring Book what I represent for Coloring Book TV. Room I'm out.
To be honest, to tell you the truth, see 1 and 2 nights when I forward over, I love your little company. And I see family too, I love your family. Right now, the little daughter, she feel like I'm my pitney. Because true, me not get none, she feel like I'm my daughter. I will spend upon her, I will give her anything. All my father do it same way, because I don't say father not do it, you know. I will still do it.
Oh, can take care and pick me.
Yeah, I don't watch no face. So that's why me even move over because tired feel back and forth thing, you know?
So Hollandy. I lie.
No,
I lie, yeah, tell.
That's true. I don't lie, that's true.
Come on, girl, really?
I mean,
Oh?
you know how long more I'm moving?
You know long why your company? Why?
I know man, I have to tell no man.
So you sure? So you not go up?
No, you know see I whole house me move out.
Oh, God. You would even, me never know what you say right now. Trust me. Me leave my last words.
Me know them feeling them.
I think I told me you care for me and thing. Me never know say a movie they really good.
So me never, you never believe me when me tell her that?
No. But swear say something you care for me, baby, like we always, you know?
No, the whole of my clothes I'm in that man. The whole of my
Okay.
clothes I'm in.
So alright then. Me and you.
Together. You know, easy, you know.
Alright, anyway. So what you say? Go cook some food.
Yeah, cook.
Yeah.
So I want to see your daughter come over.
You know, say today she for come. Yeah.
Mother want to see her, you know, and you know if rush she go cook, cause probably when she come over, we can ask her what she eat. Probably we go in town and go buy 3 burger eat. So you can sit down, but nobody rush she go cook.
That's all.
But what time she have forward?
I don't know, you know, our father for call me, so when him call me, we know what go on.
Alright, now see her, we hold out till she forward. You can hold out.
So go and lie down and relax and easy.
Wow, so my baby nice. How for baby this? Hold on, my baby, hold on. Baby, good morning.
Good morning.
There, man. Pretty baby, cute. Yeah. How is that?
Bye later. Don't come give me a hug. I'm gonna miss you, you know, when we go see you again.
I'm ready.
Why you not come back? I mean, I'm company, you know.
Soon, man.
Soon.
We have to go find out from his mother. You see me?
When I go on the road, me and her alone there and keep me company.
Oh, God. Yeah, I'm sorry. Oh, God. That's why I love her, so you know, she's nice. Alright,
I
baby.
told her, you know.
Alright, come on. Tell her bye again, yeah?
Bye-bye. I'll
Alright.
see you soon.
Babes. Yeah, bring her over and come back, you know. Later, here. Take your time, my baby. My drop, you know.
I don't know where you come, so you know.
Why did I really slipper?
Take your time, here. Take your time. You know, so you come like your foot get big, baby. May I get more super, so take your time. You want to walk or you want me to lift up you? You want to walk? You want to walk? Alright, come on. Eee, pretty baby. Baby, pretty baby. Listen. Remember the truck? When you say you sit down town and you like it, me still have it in my mind to buy it. Soon as I get the money, I go buy it for you. And one more thing. This a year spending money here. That is yours. Come on. Love you here. You not say daddy love you not say love you back, daddy?
Love you.
Oh, now get it out no trouble. Come on, see you grow. Come on, my baby. Alright, later. You glad to see mommy? You don't miss mommy? Alright, come here, okay, I got mommy. Alright. Alright.
Yeah, man, me there, man. What you mean me I go and hold them? You know, so me just kick back on my veranda here, so I go and hold one little piece of mine. I'm left for you to give a little hold this boy, you know, brother. I'm not even stressed about it, because watch you know, I rent a place, I'm comfortable here, so I'm there, and God will provide for me get another place. So I'm not even too penny that, you see me? Yeah, man, respect a man as man to check up on me, man. Me good man. Yeah, thanks for your call. Yeah, man, we link up on that time, man, no worry.
I say,
Everything
money,
good.
man, come on. Oh, now you're not up your shoes, you know. Yes, money. Sis,
Yo!
what on?
Hey,
I'm well on the sun come out, you can shine the place, because I know what I mean.
Oh, yes! Hi, Missy. Want me, baby, alright? You know, Miss Auntie? I love you, you know, look how you're pretty. And you're nice and thick.
I mean take it from.
What, my brother?
Me there, man. Oh, God, man. I love, man.
Where you going with?
So you all out?
My good man, me just sit down and go on while I meds. Because sit down side of me, I don't want reason to, you know.
My daughter, sit right here. I want to talk to auntie here.
I talk to me, I talk.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, just sit down and say, right, that's my baby.
Where is the phone? You have a tablet?
You want my phone?
Okay.
Sit
Alright.
down and play one game and talk to daddy.
Password.
So what going on?
But they are going with them.
Why?
That's good enough. Nobody look good to you.
Yo, well, it's a compliment, but
Yeah.
you look perfect.
Yeah, because you're
God
blessed.
is the greatest.
We're blessed.
God.
Yeah, from we are blind for
Oh,
blessed.
different from that still, my sister. I love me know you got your past. Oh, you look good, you know, my sister. God know you would. Oh, you're worrying.
But
Yeah.
God bless no man curse, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, and we are God people, so we are feel.
I feel it. So like how me know I rent a place and all of you move out of the house, give the man all what you and Billy, but comfortable, sir.
I'm not comfortable, you know, my brother, I'm not telling no lie, but I just go all out for now, because as I say, when God at work, God at work. So I know I have something in my pipeline, I just go and wait my turn.
Mother road, I mean, I left God road.
We not left God at road, no
God go bless you
time.
back, man.
Yeah, man, we don't worry ourselves, because I better me do that than stay out of trouble, don't.
You know, so I have to read about certain things, but, you know, angel there, so I don't really want to hold certain, but you have a reason still.
No worry yourself, my brother, I'm glad to see you. And you know I'm glad to see my niece.
Yeah. You ready, baby? You want to go and check mommy now? Miss mommy, right? Alright, let's
So
go.
Alright, so you go carry her, go check her mommy.
Yeah.
Alright.
The reason, man.
Yes, my brother, just
Come
come hold them and
on. You
remember.
have auntie a hug again, here? Yeah.
Remember some there, so anytime you're ready, you're welcome anytime.
Yeah. You too, not you?
Missy,
Thank
you're
you,
fat,
that's
sir. Are you nice, sir?
Me take care of you, not tell you.
You're clean like daddy, eh?
So, sis, listen now. Code here.
No worry yourself,
Yeah, man.
man.
Yeah.
Missy, when you come back with daddy, make you something. Yeah? Auntie have something for you. Take care of
You want me to lift up your
yourself.
children mother, you want to walk?
Mother.
Oh my God. Let's go.
Alright, my brother. Safe travel on the gravel.
Thanks, here. Ata love.
And you see?
Huggies.
Bye.
Come here, baby. Boy, I love him. I see you later, here.
Post to you.
Yeah, man. Alright.
Man, later.
Alright, my baby. Okay, got mommy now, here. Come, baby. Reach over, mommy. Step up, step down.
No, you're too thief.
One.
Yeah.
Mommy.
One.
Oh, my baby. Yeah, alright. Alright.
What?
So,
Alright.
Go on down. Just a step up in here, so.
So naturally, me not always used to come in and carry my daughter.
Just step down. May we come outside. Go on. Come on, no, you just a step in at my place, so. Not because of you, Billy, give me.
How go on?
What you mean, say what go on? Where you see I go on?
On no TV,
You see something I go on where you not used to?
So hold on, me never used to can bring in my daughter and come in the house. How change?
What change?
Eh.
Well, me not even want you get too close to me anyway. Your daughter big enough where you can just bring her come and she come in herself.
So what you mean get close here?
No, because you're
Me
the
not close
type
with your
of
baby
man.
mother and baby father.
No, me don't want you get close to me anymore. I don't want you get close. We grew apart, stay apart. I don't want you get close to me anymore.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Actually have man you know.
So what happened?
Hey,
It is a problem to you?
I'm tell you something, you know. Me,
That man
no
that
want, no man,
I want
no
that
me
little man
daughter. Me no want a man on my daughter, you know.
Oh, you mean say no one?
Him have a father, you
So
know.
how you have woman round my daughter here? Yeah. So what happened? What's the difference?
Actually, you're
What's
married
the
woman.
difference of a man there my yard and a woman there your yard? There's
a
no
question.
difference.
Me ask you a question.
Mm-hmm.
How long you know that man? How long you and him live?
Long enough to know him.
Me don't
Long
know
enough.
him. Me don't know him. Me don't know him.
So what you want to know him for?
Me
You
want
love
to know
man.
who run
You,
the daughter.
you don't love man. Why you want to know him? Me know him and that's fine.
Me want to know who run my daughter. Who my daughter
Do I
grown.
know who around my daughter with you?
What you mean if you know?
With this man, it come like I say you're jealous over me, no?
What?
It come like say you're jealous over me same way, no?
You know, see me have a good woman over there, so I'm jealous over you.
No worry yourself, cause no girl don't look like me. Bright or out harder.
Well, maybe you know, I see too good, you know, you're one good baby mother, you know, but things change, you know, a 5G or anything, you know.
Like
I know
LTE,
2G.
I tell LTE, me I run while, me step up also.
You hear me, I say, I'm not really in a long tongue thing, come in a
You know when you do go on, cause you
Just make
chase
it be
like I say, you have the
first
2 tongue in your
and you
Just
last.
go on in your yard. I don't care.
Me
Go on where you
first
go.
and the
I
last.
said come out and go
Alright.
on before my
I
man
first,
thinks
me nah
say
want
me
you,
and
you
you
know.
there. I mean you're not there coming on want you.
Me ain't not there, a 2G, you're there, a 5G or
I
anything,
know
you
the
know.
rubbish pan you there now. Boy, boy you come in here, come chat up your mouth. Go on where you go. Idiot. No way you come here go on so far. You not hear the best of me. What, mama?
Yeah, listen.
You alright? Your daddy.
I didn't just in my pocket, mommy.
Okay. Alright. You know, put it back in your pocket. Mommy soon put up here. You not here yet.
Where am I sick?
Oh. Him no want no man round him daughter. Him no want no man round him daughter, cause I'm not sure if your hand touches.
So, if you say that, and me love, is a girl when me love, you know. Me take her for my daughter, you know.
Me no know what do him.
B, come on, man. The man make me feel how way you. What kind of baby father that you have? Yo,
All me can say, a jealousy I kill him.
brother.
Nothing else but jealousy.
Look at the man daughter, brother. Me take him man daughter as she me daughter. Remember, me not pick me as it, you know. Me not get none.
Then that's why I want to come step up in here, cause I want to see what go on in my place as if me and him there.
Come on, man, B, man. The man make me feel how way you.
What may I tell you? Me no know. But the man there, that's why me and him have to live. Can I watch front, you see? Why? I don't know what doing.
You know, must watch if it's so good.
When him say me no good. Him no say him having good up woman in my yard.
So why you still
If
a
me
watch
not, if my eye not see good, so me no look good.
Why you still a watch you?
I don't know. I can't tell.
Something alright. Look like him is a jealous baby father.
You're right.
The way all the things too.
That's it.
Princess, you eat for morning?
We ate egg this morning.
You eat egg? You want burger? We'll get to eat Princess burger. I'll get
Alright,
myself
come
a
on,
eat
young
one.
baby. Jealousy.
Like more and chop some chicken pan this today and grill it down.
Forward.
Yeah, dear my
More chat to your
father.
dog. I said more. No. No bigger one, slow. You know what going on, quiet.
What go on? Somebody ramp with you? Tell me I'm gonna find him. Tell me I'm gonna find him. How ramp with you?
Hold on, man. Me hot, man. Dog, me vexing on you.
Me say tell me find him now.
Me go over my baby mother yard. Go see man in a house, in a bed.
Allah ya tell.
Yo, me say take me a step up and go in a house and bring in my daughter.
Man, have to sit down for this story.
Me a bring in my daughter. Mama cock up foot. And me must say me
In a house, you Bill Gear? Jesus Christ, I don't believe you. You fit up tell lie. Allah ya tell me.
me not tell lie. Me go talk when I go on this gossip. Me must say me tell me house, you know. Me must say me tell me house.
Boy, mother
Me no know the man. I first me I see him. Me and him no business, you know. But me used to go there, carry my daughter. Whole a reason my daughter. And me say, yo, my baby mother me a cut. Woman push me out of the house, you know, I'm in the house.
And I feel your house where you Bill Gear and she and her left to say you whole lot and because you have a daughter.
Who say whole lot?
So
I
how you
look
go?
a big foreign judge girl long a Savlamar courthouse tell me say he if you take the house car and pick me and a woman.
Well,
I me ask him where me if he sleep, he say me a big man if you go find that a level.
well, for your daughter, somewhere you sleeping, you know, no worries, you know. But your daughter comfortable and you sleep around.
so where I tell me say that man feel in my house?
No! Me never said that.
Eh?
He wrong. The girl wrong. Just go and watch and see. You see me? She shouldn't do that. She violate you. And a one room.
See how the man cock up in foot ya. I saw the man cock up in foot in my house.
You normally do it in the day. When you normally live there, put it up so high and it set you up.
Me never cock up my foot in my house yet.
So him so bright.
I got me and say,
No man, me I tell you man, they have to just go and watch and see.
the man has shoes in the house and me are going and me have to take off my shoes.
You know what go on? Might be a party my pass through man. I good look. Your daughter, you see, those are carry your daughter.
I first me see it.
So now me I say, watch and see what go on. If no other foul play. Cause I remember you did have your daughter and you just carry back your daughter. So might be man just did it and a bill with her liquor.
You wanna
So
jealous me
if you
jealous
go back
man.
over there no time for your daughter, see if I see him foul play. Then if I that, then me can say, yo, you have a pint.
You don't want a man around my daughter who me not know, you know.
A
Things
true
are
man.
wicked, you know, you know.
I
You don't know
like
on
that.
TikTok. You know, on YouTube, the amount of people who are missing. The amount of people who get kidnapped.
True man, I true. Sometimes you can't trust some of them man for real.
True, man, but you are going, me I go watch it still, you know.
Yeah
Me I
man,
go
watch this now
still,
other foul play. Cause if you
Hold on
spend
there.
money for your daughter, you know.
Yeah, my baby mother go tell me, say my woman no look good like female woman, like she.
I mean, I tell no lie. See, your woman you have over your yard and out to backside.
But listen
a
up,
5G woman you have it?
Listen up. Me not compare my woman and my baby mother. Cause my baby mother one nice
And your
woman.
baby mother.
But if you not do that, come here, I go take up for my
She
woman.
not
You
fit
know?
say for man.
I remember so me there, my baby mother you know, from 2G, you know, a 5G and 4G or anything, you know.
A true man.
Me don't know if he upgrade coming up. Me and him not dog, you
The
know.
Samsung phone around the place like that, you know, iPhone, you know, the 5G them, you know.
I watch that still, but me I go and watch and see what I go. I just want to know if you have a good youth on my daughter still.
All that too.
And she cock up in foot me kind of bex in my place.
True.
Yes, you know, say, me have to move from Whitehall, come up here, so coming in, don't pay, he said you ain't cock up in foot, pan. Yeah, that's why I left from Whitehall, because coach not come on there.
Well, you don't find out and either way you have to pay because that bunny at that time.
But you are going on, you remember my sister Chelsea?
Oh!
Tall one, the man.
Yeah, man.
When go marry and live with man and everything.
He gonna find now.
When Musha foreign in Ghana, our house, he rent up the road. He left your ski, man.
Allah ya tell, say to one fall like same boat.
Watch out, man.
Watch out, no man.
No,
You come like you disrespect me.
No, me not this about 3 left house game man and you left house game.
Me not left no house game.
I court sister.
I the court sister, the biggest farright girl. The judge. The judge you man.
Sorry, my boss. Sorry, my boss.
He ain't big like him, I'll ride him.
Sorry, my boss. Sorry, my boss. Sorry about that, man. I know you left the court.
So you left your house game man. And go rent place. So I go link this morning, me and my daughter, my daughter go check my baby mother.
I wish me could have said a few tell your sister say what that's alright, but still.
You know why you know, say me I tell you some man cock up in my house and you say, I know you talk about my sister. How long you get to look my sister and you look him? You know
sense over them better. You know me have sense. Yeah, just watch your see if no more foul play here. Me I jerk some chicken so you can check me like more how jinx around.
Yeah, girl, I tell you this year I have to go back up and make a wood, no. The last time I go up for your birthday, girl, I enjoy myself. I think I for my birthday. No, sir. Uno just try to plan one other trip, cause this trip.
Babes.
Yeah, I'm so call her back here. Yeah, girl, I'm so call her back. Alright.
Happy babes.
What do you?
Boy, you know, so look while I go over my baby mother yard, carry my daughter, as usual. So when me I step up here now, I go in the house. Remember, you know, when I care over my daughter, I always go in the house, sit down, talk to him, raising my baby mother towards anything towards you, because she in the middle.
Yeah.
No problem never in that. But me know I go over there now, as I step in and reach at the doorway, a man me say cock up foot and me say tea. You see me? Some man tell me say, yo, me can't come in, me for go on out the door. So me I say, oh, I'm used to forward in and come reason me, you and reason my daughter. You see me? I be a mother and baby father, you know. What kind of style am I picking in and middle, you know? So you want to talk to me now. So I go out the door now. I'm go out the door now. She tell me say, yo, me can't come in here. And them thing there.
So Landy, no, never did for your house, but through for court business, then say for you left it for your daughter.
Hey, big head girl long a court man, the liar woman man when hell ride him, you see what hell show up in so.
Yeah, but by right now you'd have to still left so for your mother have a daughter, you'd have to still left some of your baby still.
Yeah.
But anyway.
But I want you man bathroom babe, someone cut in at 2 and give him peace.
I understand that. But here me I say, if man no cock up in night today, man no cock up in night tomorrow, you know. So I know sitting where you can go stop. By the end of the day, when you need to do build on one room for this year and take your baby. Cause I don't like a girl, you know. The little girl keep me company, so just build on one little room for her and take your daughter. As some of them man, I don't really trust some of them man, and next thing I want you to do, buy one phone give your daughter, because your daughter reach the age you know, she need to understand certain things.
Oh man, because I look baby bright, you know man.
Yeah, buy one phone give her man, and so if anything she want, you don't have to call your baby mother and you can call the doctor directly.
That's true,
so you don't need to in and no long talking with the mother.
That's true, but regardless, me and the mother have to communicate.
True.
You see me? But me just beg to go see man cock up in my house.
As me say, if you never seen cock up today in there, probably you'll go over the one next day and see cock up in there. So, might as well go see for now.
Well, me just tell him say me no really want to see that again, you know. Because me no really know, I want to know who around my daughter, you know.
As me say, the only solution I have, build one room for your daughter. Because man, she a woman, she forever, you think she'll go out and take man? She not gonna let you pick me and go take man. She'll carry the man come there. And she, if you know, say a one room, and I want a girl picking she have. Say the man she want, she's supposed to go out and make the man know. So listen me, I want a girl me have, you know. Yeah. Me not two can make a comment so come all the way. When my daughter there, fine. Yeah. When my daughter there here, don't come here.
One room me have, babe. And for any picnic come in a picture, because I remember saw a scandal bag we used to shit in there, you know. I any king bucket we used to piss in and she picnic come in the way, you know. We force and build and the local bathroom. You understand? But I'm just going to watch and see what I go on still, you know, babes. But I watch that still. So
no, put that for your head. I'm hungry.
You hungry?
Mm-hmm.
So nothing in your cupboard?
You know, say, what in there, me did kind of look on the date and they look like they expire. So me did say,
so you want to cook or you want me to go get something?
Cook more. You get like 3 pounds of chicken and so me can cook. I don't want no Jaguars there, no fast food right now. More and cook. So you can get something decent to eat.
Alright, I just run go shop quick and fast and come back here.
Yeah man, deal with that. Buy 2 Maggie season to your hair.
But all purpose one or
Maggie chicken one.
Maki chicken one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Where would you like to go? You would like to go to the movies?
Yes.
Okay, one of these days I'm gonna take you to the movie, and when we left the movies, we stop by at the park and have fun. So, you okay? Probably mommy soon come, so you don't have to worry. Don't worry head.
We're going to go to KFC too.
Oh, sure, you wanna go to KFC? Oh, no problem.
Babes.
Yes, baby.
Oh, baby. Baby. Alright. Yeah.
How you buying now, babe?
Buy all kind of stuff. This is your thing, you know, your rub thing. Air freshener for spray the house. Lotion with dry foot them. Spray and something.
So much things you buy.
Yeah. Then you not give me money, so what am I going to do?
Yeah, man, good woman, you know, that's why I have to love you, baby.
Yeah, that's why I have to love you too, because you make sure I'm alright. You're not everywhere. So, anyway, where you look buggy, baby?
Oh, me didn't make look a porridge, yeah.
Belly full, mama? You alright? Alright, cool. Come over here, so mama. Come play a game on phone.
So that's
So, alright.
that's a nice good girl, and she's intelligent.
But no, so we just
Right.
have to be careful around her. What we talk about and how we adjust
True.
ourselves.
But the one I don't understand still, because from last night it a puzzle me. Me
What
go
that
go on bed with it on my mind. It's like your baby father yesterday will come here.
Mm.
I know me can't get over it. Him no know say, me not add nothing to your daughter. Me take your daughter, feed him daughter as my daughter too, because I love and respect her in daughter.
I know that, but you see, maybe try him build the house and give me. So, you know how that go. And him feel like him can step in. Because Joe usually come here and come in and we sit down and talk. So I feel like him can do the same thing. Now we are here. But anyway, we did go family court. And the judge give me rightfully custody for her. So, you know.
Oh, so
Yeah.
then make her get the house.
Everything. So that's why me dey here. Because remember, we get full custody of the child, and so me have to have her, she have to have a roof over her head.
No worry, be better days ahead. Probably one day we can build something and left him with this house here. Or something. Better days ahead, you have to just pray.
Well, hopefully, you know, things get better, but you just behave like a jealous baby father. He's just jealous and
What?
something.
Jealous baby father. So that simple means say yeah, me in a business. Make him all come here yesterday and
Babes,
act up so true. Me in a house.
babe, come on. Nobody be overreacting.
B, if you understand. Once me I spend on the mother, I go spend on the calf. So me don't want him come here every day or when he feel like come and act up to me there. So I have to put a stop into that.
Well, that's true, but you know, say, I him build a house. And it's not like, say, it's rightfully mine of in data, just because me get full custody of the child. So you know, say, I feel him place. And if data don't reach nowhere where she can have full control. You understand? So I'm staying here just because I'm data. So coming here and stepping up and come inside, well, you know I'm going to have problem. And that's why I'm going to have problem say, oh, can I have man in my house and make him can come in. You understand? So I just want you to understand and just work with me.
The thing then alright, B, I have to try and fix that or else me go move. You know I'm going to tell you so. Me nah go there say every day and your baby father come and act up just because of me. It don't make no sense me there say then.
You no bother with them something there, as me say. Please. Just bear with me. Just bear with me. Relationships are for be there for one another.
See next time.
Cooperate.
You see next time me there and see him come and behave like that. You know how it go.
Come on now, man. No, you get me into me. You just get me things right now.
Be just Tony argument, you know. Don't come off of the topic. Let me just sit down and make you know.
Alright. So anyway, may I go make a phone call, may I go call him and make him know say me need some money to be able to go to school.
You don't have to call him, be me there.
No, listen. I'm my father. Him is the child father. So rightfully, him have all right to give me the child maintenance,
But
right?
true still, but remember say I'm your second father.
Agree. But where him cannot fit in, that's where you come in.
Alright.
So,
Call him.
I'm on the phone, mama. So, I'm gonna make a phone call.
So,
mama.
what's so important make I can't make you a son? Or make you have to go out the door?
That's manners.
Alright.
I'm gonna talk to my child father.
Go on.
So, have me excuse. No, but I sit down there and bust your brain now, you know. Nothing like Oh boy, I go call him because I know say a problem now. Yeah.
Hello?
Coloring book.
Yeah, hello?
Morning. Again. So, me I call you for the baby so because me realize that now me have to call you. From the man they hear me have to call you. Me never usually call you, so I want him now.
What you mean you call me?
Yeah, because from the Monday I realized that me have to call you. I never usually have to call you.
Yo, me I come check you.
Yeah, come check me.
Yeah, me I come check you.
And give you money.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
Kiss me teeth, all fat. Like I say, I the stepfather have to play a role in my putting life better than you know. And you say your father.
Hello. Hello, baby. Come here, mommy there. I say you look nice like your daddy. You're taking niceness from your daddy. Me soon come here and I'll talk to my mommy. She over there, sir. Alright, me soon come. Go and go sit down back here. Daddy soon come. What make him have a cock up in foot for my bed? Last time I come and cock up in foot for my settee. Eh? Tell me the truth now. What kind of style that? I'm a Billy House, you know?
Am I talking to coloring book? Is it me you're talking to?
How may I talk to my baby mother I come to?
Yeah, you come to your baby mother, but it seems like I'm a man you come to. You come for watch out my man lifestyle.
You didn't say, you know, me I watch my house. Me never know say me I watch man.
So when you watch the house, if I look like a black and move day by day, look like something I move off a piece by piece.
You call me now, what you saying?
Oh, I call you for now. I'm a pitney money. Money I call you for. Yeah, the baby for go back to school and thing. Them something them I call you for.
So I don't know, say if you go back to school.
But it look like you don't know because approximately from the Monday here, me have to call you. What kind of thing that? Why make me have to call you all the time?
Hold on, me don't want to look like we are argue, area, cuss. Question. But you used to call me before the man there. So what if you call me and I want to tell me say you're rude?
Me not for call you.
You know,
Because you don't know how it go.
So how money there?
So coloring book. Let me ask you a question.
Yeah.
First time me 10, me 30, me 40. So how now me 20, me 30, me 40. How now at 10? How you gonna 10? How you gonna 10? Me can't understand that. How you gonna 10? How you gonna 10?
You know, so as a baby mother and a baby father, you used to call me baby father, now you call me coloring book.
Yeah,
So
me a call you by your name now, cause no more respect now by your name.
So okay, me alright with that. So hold on for that money there.
Because you don't respect me.
Me
You
no
don't
respect
respect me. You come and you see my man, you should have glad some find a man. You move like them jealous baby father.
Me no know say me a ball say your man at your house.
But it look like you're ball in your secret place. You're not ball when you're there in front of me.
Me just a go
Because
say
when you
one
come,
more thing.
you come. I want your man cock up in your place like that. In my place like that. Why make you foot off cock up? No, upon my settee, no, upon my bed. Eh?
Listen. My daughter in the house, me no want to hear no argument. The judge say me fi give you 7,000 a week. I mean I give you 30. Say me give you 10 now. Me still not go honor what the judge say. You understand what me I say? So just hold that and be a good baby mother. Cause me know you as a good baby mother. Don't switch, don't change. We have a child in the middle.
In the middle. You know you behave like one jealous baby father. That's what you are. You understand? So you combo your youth, just combo your youth. That's all me I try to tell you. And you see this your money here? No give me back them your money here.
Mommy and Daddy, why are you cussing?
I don't argue, baby. I don't argue, baby. Yeah.
Everything alright.
Come inside, princess.
You see when me I talk about the argument.
You see right now, me never want to hear nothing more from your coloring book. Nothing more me no want to hear from you, because you see the man in there, so he might play a better role than you right now. You see? Because you cut down like a green grass, so you just want.
Ali, baby. Ali, come here, baby. Later, here.
Yeah, Daddy.
Later on phone to call you, here. Alright, later.
Go on! Face favor.
Baby, come
Get him out of
inside.
my yard. What you want to come do?
Come inside, man.
Don't go like he want to come. Go like he want to come. Tell me what to do for and what to do too. I him build this. Go ahead. Like he want to come tell me what to do.
What must you have to do?
You know, so the man out there going one piece or something. Eh? I want we. You look like him wicked or something. I jealous him, jealous him. Jealous baby father. You know. See there? $10,000.
For
Tell
do
me now. What $10,000 can do for the baby? When that the man that usually give me money. When coloring book I give me money. $40,000, $50,000, son give me money. He last back to school, him buy book, him buy bag, him buy shoes, him buy everything for the child. What this can do now? What $10,000 can ever do? Tell me what $10,000 can do.
that for each and another year in comedy. Don't tell her already, you know. If you never call him, and you call him. So you call him for 10 grand. But you give me time when we go drink rum.
No, that can't work. That still can't work. Go drinking.
So, you know, we pick the things and money time right. Give me this 10
So you
grand and we go
put
drink
the
rum.
money panning and we do what you have to do.
Don't worry about that. Me have my money.
One cocoa full basket, no.
Me say me have my money, don't worry about that. Me just want to drink out the money in the idea. Me just feel like when I just drink out the money and laugh off and on the road if me see it. But I joke me a mix still, man. Me with deal with the school things and me not for your head, that's it. Me will deal with everything.
Well, alright then, cause me know you will deal with everything, baby. That's why me have full of you, son.
Get some snacks, see, baby, with that or something. Get some little chips and juice.
Alright then. And you know, I want to go down my sister, you know. I want to go down my sister go talk to her about something. So, I go up on the road, I go down my sister. and go talk to her because the money I get from bad to worse, you know. And
You don't think if you go down there, you know?
we go down there, sister, don't worry yourself. I'm gonna share one can fix him. So I go put up the money and you know, I
Alright.
go down my sister.
Now wait for you, hurry up and don't want to take too long. Don't want me to spit on the jar.
Nah, take too long, man. Don't worry yourself. And you see, you're jealous too, you know, like quiet.
My mind smutty too.
The really smutty. Why? I don't know where I find a new man from.
Nice streets.
Boy, Chelsea 87 what happened, baby? I don't know.
Wow, Lisa. How are you?
Girl, me a come here, so maybe me not to go see you. Because me know say
Just bring
you
up
love
one
the
for you
road.
already now. Wait, me I wait for me drive to come pick me up. Sit down,
Oh
wow.
my God. My day, girl. So me a call link you up and me may you talk about so some car. Boy, you go your alone can't fix this problem.
A long
No,
time.
so me
I
a come to you with my problem, you know, we know, and thing. Me just say, me a call link you, me you talk about, me just a go share them like a share with you and them something there.
But me and my little problem too in a long time. I don't see how we need to catch up too. Because me come one day and realize that for me money I go on with a bag of things. And I just move out of the house and left him with it because I don't want to kill him, you know. So I just have to try go and build off your son and cool out till I sort out myself and go take up my things them and can build my little place. Because I start one little place, so go one little salon and I build one nice house. So I go on with you and my brother. How many is?
Boy, you know, me don't know about your brother, my baby father coloring book. Usually give me all my 30, 40, $50,000. Now one day I call him about the baby money and thing. You don't know how much your brother can give me.
Well, me not
Guess
say-
no?
You know, me not go guess, because honestly, it look like you really come to me about something. Coming from here, you come and say something, you know. You say you don't want me get involved in your business, but your business this. So since you lay it out on the table, make me hear what you say my brother are going with.
Me say the man carry $10,000 come give me girl.
Him carry $10,000 come give you for the baby. So how much money you normally receive from him?
Me normally receive my 30, 40, $50,000. Them the money them me receive for
okay.
them.
And how much the judge say him for give you for the baby?
No, but normally, even when the judge did tell him, say, him for give me 120 grand or 110 grand, however, him still never usually give me that.
Alright, so that means you're not comfortable because that is not enough to support
No,
the
I'm
baby.
not comfortable because that's not enough for me. But say, I'm back to school now, you know. So you see the man in my yard, he might play a better role right now in the child life than him coloring book the child father.
Alright, I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to cut it really short. I'm make it simple for you. Because as I say, I'm going to drive me away from me, have my business deal with. I'm going to come, I'm not so stable, I'm going to try to get my thing back on my foot. So with that said, the money what you get from my brother, you're not comfortable about it. So my niece not have enough money for support them.
No.
Alright, so what you
No,
don't want me
right
to
now,
do
what
about
the
that?
man and mind the baby, me say.
Yeah, you have a man in your yard and your man have to play the role of your yard and your man. Regardless, you're still part of the family because you're my niece, mother, and I still respect you. I'm not going to make me have anything or fall out regardless of what I want with you and my brother. So what me I going to do now, I'm going to talk to him. What exactly you don't want me to put on the table when me see my brother?
When me want you to put on the table is to tell coloring book, say, so him come on my yard, stop watch out my business. Cause look here. Every time him come, him a feel looking at my house and oh, the man a cock up him foot so. Oh, the man, the first time he come, the man cock up him foot pan him settee. You know, the man have him foot pan him bed and him don't want them the thing they in front of him that and him, you understand?
Lisa, Lord have mercy.
Coloring book a behave like a jealous baby daddy right now.
Lisa, as me say, I'm going to talk to my brother. As it regards to my niece,
yes, more you talk
I'm
to
going
him.
to talk to my brother. I no business with you and your problem and your man and your yard. But I'm going to talk to my brother in regards to my niece. I'm going to say I can fix things. Maybe him can put a little bit more on it. Because you know you go with a woman and you go want to do the little things them for your youth. Where him no know say him can do. Because we as women we do things different from man. So right? I'm going to talk to him. Right is right. I'm going to try to fix it. I promise you that. But I don't want to get involved with you and the man up at your yard. And my niece we are talking about. And him in a picture, so I write this so you come out and me fix it for you.
Alright, girl, just do what you have to do for me. May I go back up a yard
No
and
problem.
think, cause you know the baby up there.
You're welcome
Me have
anytime,
to go to
girl.
her and she and them.
As long as it concerned me, niece, no one know about it.
Well, just deal with it for me, cause I know you will talk to him, you know.
Yes, my love, and if you have any little thing for me, niece, we'll make you get it. Don't worry,
Alright
we'll
then,
come up
thanks.
and come
Don't worry
give it,
yourself,
you
you always a gear things.
Don't worry yourself.
I'm a love
Now go
that.
up on the road as my drive come.
Alright,
So
take
just be
care.
nice
Yeah,
and
man.
go easy, right?
Mhm.
Have a good day.
Yeah.
Yes.
My brother coloring book.
Go on.
What you do with me? What you
Yeah,
do?
man.
You just walk out of here, you know.
All right,
And I wait
yeah.
for my drive to come pick me up. But you
Oh.
can check somebody right here, so. The son up right here, so I'm lucky enough to see you. What you going with? Because your baby mother just left over me a while ago. She just come check. Melissa just come a foot a while ago.
What a crisis are you telling about?
No, it's not a crisis. Your baby mother do the right thing.
And I pop me there, I want to go check in. What you say I did?
Anyway, she show me a prayer. I want to reason with you about it. Because I tell her say I try to fix things. So she don't want to get me involved in no business. But she reason with me about a thing. I'm not too like you. I'm going to show you a prayer now. As a sister, when you listen to me, I will look when I talk to you and tap, rub your ears.
Sister,
But you
what
see
you
my
say,
niece?
man?
I love my niece. See? And even though I your ex-baby mother and she have a man over the yard, I don't want you to go over there go watch what the people in place and I watch what the people in business.
Where you say look well?
Yeah,
No,
she
where
say
you
you watch out her business over her yard and you deal with her different and you not give her the amount of money where you used to give her like one time to maintain the baby. I mean I want you to make it look like that she have a man over there and you know break up, you deprive my niece of the money where she's supposed to get. You used to give her 40 and her 30,000 and 20 sometime and now she say I want 10,000 you bring come. And that cannot help to maintain the baby because I back to school and she have to shop for the things them. Remember say woman do things different from a man, my brother. So I don't want you to make jealousy fall into the thing and I make the thing look watered down. I don't want you to water down the thing. Because you're youth and what you do for your youth as a father, no other man can do that for your youth.
Can I say something, my sister?
Yeah man, go on there, listen.
Them say who feels it, knows it. I just want to say something to you. The more you just listen and you tell me, the more you tell me as a where me wrong, where me right, where me wrong and where me right. Just that me need and then me fix it. Remember you know, me leave, me and my baby mother, we not there no more. Me have a woman. Me never see her with a man yet.
Right.
Me never ask her if she have a man. Because me know one day she have a man.
Which is right.
So, me always carry my daughter go over there. When me carry go over there, I step up in her house, I raise with her and my child to all the local youth in the middle. So me go over there what day now and me see a man in the house. Me step up in the house and she will tell me something to come up. Listen, you know, sometimes I know what you say, you know, or how you do things, you know. Remember my house, you know. I just say big nose get along a courthouse or female because the child in the middle, you know. May I get over that? Because by an idea, I'm my daughter and she may be a mother. So keep the house. May I get over that? 1 second. May I get over that? So if you have a man now, a my yard or your yard with my child, what you're supposed to take up your phone and do? Or if you not take up your phone and do it then, when me come over there, you're supposed to say, my baby father, I want to talk to you. Carry me one side, go talk to you, man. I said, listen, I don't know if you go feel no way, but if you never feel no way, share one big woman. You know, so I find a local man. Remember, say the man I go around my child, am I wrong or am I right?
You're right, my brother.
So you're supposed to carry me one side and say, I have a man now, you know, just like how you have a woman. So I just tell you, I have to tell you, but I have to tell you, because I want child in the middle. You can't push me out in front of man in my house. So I don't feel away.
No, you're going to
feel jealous.
No, hold on, no. I can't talk now. You're going to feel away as a man. We are human being. We're not perfect. See? But at the end of the day, remember say me have a problem too, you know. Me have a problem I try to work out to solve, you know. Because before I get myself in a problem with a man, I come out of my house and give that man my house. Or somewhere else, me I start out for myself right now. New brand, bigger and better. You understand? Remember say you have a youth and a girl pit you have. At the end of the day, I not say you're wrong, you're
so
right.
What you tell me say?
What me I try to tell you say? Remember say your youth still go any with your house or your house.
Me no want to hear that.
See? And by the end, and at the end of the day, look at no man.
Sis, listen what me I say. Me no want to hear that. More you tell me say me right, and more you talk to him and tell him so how you approach the thing, you don't approach the right way. And that me I talk about.
You're right.
Okay.
You're right, and I will fix it. But me I
Okay.
try to tell you now. Not because a man over there don't deprive your youth of what your youth supposed to get. You understand what I say, my brother? Do what you can do when you can do it and the best of your ability is that. Just do it when you can do it and do it to the best. Because I know you can do better. And I go talk to her and make she fix things. Because as a woman, she's supposed to come to you as a man and make it right with you because you don't have a daughter to work out things with.
Alright.
Saying? And at the benefit of your youth, your youth come first at all times.
So here we are going. Me listen what you say. So me I go try
Me will deal with it.
But
See?
anyhow, big up yourself.
Don't worry yourself, man. Go easy.
Alright.
Me I go up on the road, me drive, come.
Alright, I love. Here, me I check puppy then.
No problem.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Yeah, boy, what you doing, my
You know what
father?
me I say now? Just listen what me I say now.
No, you don't see you always a forward to me and make you look like me and a problem. You frighten me a while ago, you know, come here wonder say, if I thief, me thief your money or why not you?
No man, no puppy. Listen what me I say now. More reason about something and anything me wrong but you tell me say, yo, you're wrong. Me just want you to be the bigger person right now. If me wrong, me wrong. If me right, me right.
Are your woman in your yard or your baby mother? Cause the amount of problem you have to backside. Me don't even know which one you come to
I'm
me
a baby mother, bro. You understand?
Man living over there now.
Then the man not living over there from when me tell you say the man living over
No, me
there.
need feel him and make a pass through.
You know, so my sister talk to me right now, I feel like you all disrespect me because everybody make it look like me. I want me jealous, yes, but me not jealous of my baby mother. Me jealous know so one man that me had, me not know him, me not know nothing about him. And me I listen what you say, me I listen what my woman say, me I listen what my sister say. If one man not did it now, one man go did it tomorrow. But me I try to live with that. But me not like how my baby mother deal with me what here.
She not deal with you good.
In this me in front of a man, bro, in my place.
Yeah, can make you look like a little boy.
You know that me
and
I
you big
tell
old
you,
man.
Big man, bro. He could have just call me one side and tell me, say, you know, say, he have a man you know and Ray. And he have to make me know, but he just have to make me know because she might go in the picnic life, Ray. Because me have a woman in my life where picnic there around, you know.
True,
I just like me not like how he deal with me, you know.
I say for real, if a man not there today, I go there tomorrow and you can't stop it because you have a woman, so why not have a man? You get what I try to say?
You know that me I talk about, bro. And that's why I feel that way, you know.
But yo, you know, so me not tell no lie though. Me did want to see, you know, cause right, that's what me there, you know. I see what this a fan, you know. Me hear your baby mother walk past me. You know, if your sister, I go to you, know. Cause you say you go link your sister. I'm hearing walk past and he must say, this a little dirty boy, yeah. Give him $10,000. And Ray, a quote me go carry dirty boy. Coloring book a quote him go carry. I say you must say,
You ain't care with me, no, puppy, Dan. Cause listen now.
10,000 you carry, Joe.
10,000 all of money. Remember say judge to me if you give him 7,000.
But me never asked her, you know. But me hear she say, you give her money for back to school and 10,000. But if that really does it show you 10,000, I can't buy nothing for back to school. 10,000 I can't buy a bag in a coloring book. When you made this still, you know.
I chose still in a
I can't buy a bag, you know. Cause she say, as me say, I pass my pass and I cuss, you know. He must say.
Yeah, I just see my big saying.
From the man need your money job.
I show man.
My walk past a cuss like him.
You're right, watch out now.
You
Me
can't
a
do that,
big
bro.
man. You're right, that's a puppy Dan. But how you deal with me kind of feel away, dog.
Yeah, bro, but watch you know.
Wrong, that's how
You
you.
move like a jealous baby father. And you can't make fake how you deal with you. You know, you don't deal with your youth. Better you not deal with her then. Cause watch out, your daughter how much?
Oh, me jealous. Oh, me jealous.
Listen to me, I say, no, man, your daughter how much?
Daughter 6 man.
So you see your daughter 6. Your daughter no money. Cause that day, you tell me say you give her 5,000 and she know the money there. So if you call her and say my daughter for 10,000, I give mommy for yeah, now your baby mother not in an argument. Your daughter understand. Get her a phone, bro, when she call you.
You're right, but by an idea, me and him still have to communicate.
Yeah, but you see the street say, you move like a jealous baby father. I saw the street say, not do it, me bro. Watch on man.
Who does that?
Hold up your stress.
Who does that?
Are you? I don't mean move like a jealous baby father, are you?
True. But listen what me I say no boy. Me jealous, but me not jealous of my baby mother, you know. Me jealous of the fact you know say yo, the man up there. So me I get over that now, cause if man not did it tomorrow or today, man I go do it next year.
I true.
But me no know no tell him saying she no deal with me and throw me out.
Well,
and
me I never get for all the conversation, you know. As me say I pass, she a pass and me
you
hear
know, me I
her
go,
cuss.
you know what me I go do? Me feel like as a big man, bro. Me feel like me fi do the right for you.
True man, and stop move like a jealous baby father, cause them how they talk in the street. And you have your woman in your yard, you know, so you can't jealous, bro.
True. So what you say, me fi do it right?
Do it right, man, you see me? 10,000 of money, bro.
You know me like crazy with you, cause you split the truth, you know. Yeah man, you split, you know
Yeah,
me
man.
like, you know what my sister saying, go and take the bus.
gone somewhere, can't come pick him up. You know, so I feel like the man in a business.
Alright.
And that me feel like, you know.
I go to that for you, you know.
The man gone back in a business.
I go to that for you. You only hope your baby mother not gone back in a business.
No, man. The fly past some man. I just my daughter, man.
Yo, if you smell me, show me not do some work, you see, if you smell me, not too loud up, it's still
Me
like
no smell you, you no
like
start
off your business load in
you
ice
gonna
cream.
start sweat, me smell you. Yo, respect here.
Alright, do the right thing.
Yeah, me I do the right
Don't
thing.
move like a jealous baby father.
Hey, watch out, man. You don't say that already, man.
But me have to talk me then here so you know if you do it right.
Alright.
Stop watching baby mother youth.
It's hot, man.
Babes,
Oh, God.
hold on there, hold on. Sorry. Gas mask.
You're just terrible.
Babes,
What you know?
boy. When I talk to my sister, see my bus stop, so I go pick him up. Between me and you come like him and the man gone back. You see me? The man
I
use
know.
code for me. But me know the code already, babes. But anyhow, my sister say you want to talk to me, but you ain't plan to talk to me half and forward, but through me see him, because through me never check puppy down. So my baby mother come over there and talk to him, so if he talk to me. Come used to give him 30,000 and 40,000 and through me give him 10,000 over there. You understand? So you see the same point when I say, babes, when me can reason me baby mother upon certain things, I could have reasoned him and tell him so I 10 me have me soon get next money. I don't like me like going in a house. But me not cut to my baby. Me never know say I have a man. So when me feel a way about, you see me, when them make it look like I'm jealous of my baby mother. Me feel a way if you know say yo you have a man and me come and you just push me out of the house. You could have just come on one side and reason with me.
So, Randy, I jealous with you?
Jealous of who?
Your baby mother.
A fifth G me have say no and 4G you know. Remember say me baby when I talk a 2G used to run the place and 1G you know.
Okay.
Me upgrade you know.
Me just want to know that.
I know this may be a mother but me upgrade. Okay. B, me just not like the fuck how you deal with me in front time man. Me must have my house you know. A brick by brick by brick by brick me build that house you know.
Me know, man.
You could have just come on one side and say, my baby father, you know say one man there you know and me have to tell you about the reason why I tell you because we have a little child in the middle. But you just push me out in front of the man, then I don't feel a way about that. That me vex about how the man cock up his foot from me set him, and you know if his foot clean or dirty. And that me vex about. Me not jealous of him. But anyway, me not revisit Puppy Dan and show me some things when me go wrong because me ignorant and when me go right. And me tell him say show. So I talk to you about now cause when them say me cut short, me not check my daughter that regular again and them thing there because the man over the true. You know what I mean? So me kinda wrong though so.
What me I say is, they used to give her 40,000 and 30,000. She must know so one day you're not gonna have it. You only can give her what you have.
You know that me I try to tell me make you look like a true the man over there. He might say that you know.
And then again, the man over there, man supposed to contribute to. If him say love her, he must as much he's supposed to say I help out too.
No disrespect you know. Well, when me I go say it I go look like me corrupt and bad mind. But me corrupt and bad mind sometimes, but me I take that out of it. Me not really want a man playing a role in my pitney life, you know. But you see like how he did it. You understand? If you want to do something to all, you woman will live with good, but me I go be a father for my daughter.
That's what I'm saying.
Right.
But you know, if you give her 40,000 off it, you think I pick me and spend all like 40,000? No.
Well, to tell you the honest truth, you know, me don't really have no problem with him, you know. You understand? So me not really want to blackmail him. But you know when you say what about you? Eh?
But who?
But how him good up more than you? Eh? Tell me the truth now.
Sure.
Tell
I
me
one
the
thing
truth.
good about that the girl that I pick me. That's the only good thing I see about her and I pick me. And true me no milky girl. Tell that girl if you not call me name, you know.
Well,
you might corrupt her.
Me no want to get corrupt because you know we have to remember where I come from. You understand? You see me, but a 5G me I work with right now, not 2G.
Jealous now.
But you was still, me I go, Puppy down the right pan when you say. So me feel like me I go do the right thing. So me get a next little change. Me I go give a next little change and when me come up, me I give you your money.
Yeah, man.
You understand? So me I go, if it's the right thing me I do.
Yes, no make sick no man, you stop check your pitney as often how you
That-
used to check
Hey,
it.
that's why I love you so, you know. That's
Still
why
go look for your baby girl.
That's why I love you so. Last night, how much me go? I 1 minute me go last night. You see how me love you? Me I come give you. Me I come give you 2 minutes. That alright? Alright, me I come give you 1 hour. Cause me have some hooker in the back, you know. Oh, 1 hour.
Yeah man, 1 hour.
Rat dog. Lord God. Me soon come, eh, baby?
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Alright.
My mommy pull out your hair later. Don't call me here. Does it say your hair pull out? And daddy for come here, come see your hair comb nice and sweet.
Afternoon, Lisa, what about?
Good. No, go on.
Beg you a minute now, please. Ali, soon contact you, baby? Alright.
I hope I something good to come with me. Oh, I just hope I something good to come with. So you could have said what you say in front of the man.
Just listen, please. I'm not really come from the argument. I just want to talk to you.
Alright, may I listen?
You are going on. Now we're going like you're a good baby mother. You're a good baby mother. And you, before me you break up, you was a good lady. So the point where me I say right now, you know I do something wrong with you and you do something wrong. 2 wrong cannot make 1 right. So here what me I say. What year I went, what year I come over here with the local youth. I know say it's been a while you don't have a man in your life. And I realize it will happen someday, whether I like it or not. You see me? I have a woman, so you want comfortable. You see me? So, me come over here, me shocked, because I used to come and raise with the daughter inside, whatever. You see me? But the way you come and you deal with me in front of your boyfriend, push me out, I kind of feel a way about it. Although me wrong too. And by doing that, I kind of never in a focus. I never in a come check my daughter, call him and call and tell us I don't have no money till next week. I never in a do them thing that me feel a way. I'm not really jealous of the situation. You understand? But I just feel a way to the whole fact. So, I apologize for what I do, but I just feel a way to how you deal with the situation. You could have just call me one side and tell me, say, you know, have to tell me, but you know, I find a man in my life because my daughter in the middle. I just start me feel a way about it.
Oh, so now you get back your head by your body? No, you find back yourself? Well, listen. Well, I accept your apology, you know. I go accept it. Because it two we have a child together. And we have to co-parent. And we have to live good. You understand? So you have to know about your child. And me have to talk to you about your child. As if the child is living with me. Well, so I accept all of that. So, alright. But one thing.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sorry for the way I deal with you in front of my man the other day.
Yeah.
Well, you never have to deal with stuff. Well,
Yeah, man.
everything is alright now.
Thanks
so,
for apologize, man. Yeah, man, sorry about how I behave to you. Listen, please. As I say, my farmer fool in front of you or there also your boyfriend. You see me? So just tell him to please more and talk to him. Yeah, just tell him to more and talk to him, please. It's okay, alright, man. Please, man, beg you hear?
Can we do someone now?
Yeah, man, please. Yeah, man.
Really? Babes. When you want to go in there?
Where am I doing?
For my Babyfather coloring book. It look like him change.
Change how?
Yeah. I'm saying want to talk to you and
Talk
want
to
to have
me.
a word with you.
Talk to me for me.
I don't know. Me, I wonder the same thing.
You know, say, come like a man as some joke, I do.
Well, just go and go here when you say something.
I hope I don't know, set up the sign.
So you say no, Mama? Yeah, right.
Let's say I go on now, bossy.
Yeah, my father, manners and respect. So here what going on now. Why do I come over here? I'm kind of really pass my place. But the reason why I pass my place, as a man to man, I always come over here and raise with my baby mother and my daughter in the house. You see me? I realize I don't have a man in my life and I find a man. I know that I will change sometime. But when I try to say still, come over here with him or him push me out and deal with me in front of him, I never feel good about it as a man. You understand? And by doing that, I never do the right thing. I call my daughter, I check up on him, I cut short because I feel away to the situation. So me and him just done reason. Because I tell me, say, yo, I don't want, no disrespect, I don't really want a man to play a role in my daughter life. But if him talk about you or you play a good role, whether I'm not there yes or no, I appreciate that. I really respect that. You know what I say? So how me be a word, I just apologize as a man to a man. Because by any idea whether I like it or not, I come check my daughter and you go there. And my daughter go there and you go there. So I apologize how me behave, but I just don't like the fact how him deal with me in front of you. So me and him talk about that and him say everything good. So just
true,
as a man.
Your daughter, and I rate your daughter and I love her and appreciate her.
Yeah,
true,
yeah.
I get my youth.
Yeah, my father.
Yeah, I deal with her like I'm my daughter.
Yeah, respect.
So I take care of her too. But what do you know forward? You did say some things out the door, but I never really like what you did say.
Yeah, yeah.
But we know where you go, we are man and man.
Yeah,
you
man.
know?
That's why I apologize as a man to man. Because the whole away there here and the youth are going in the whole away life. So I just want to know, say, when I come over here, I respect the boundary, now I go forward in that good. But I just want to know, say, respect Joe. When you have to link up, but respect Joe. So I apologize, you see me?
Nah, man,
I respect our manners here.
Yeah.
Man. Ali! Come here, baby. Ask mommy if you can have ice cream with daddy.
Yes, baby, that's okay.
Okay. You want to go have ice cream?
Yes.
I'll come on, my baby.
I'm trying to take her away, no, but I don't come back, you know.
Love you, yeah? You guys have made it to the end of Jealous Babyfather. Thank you guys for watching. People, I want to make a special big up to Dorothy Willoughby. And if you watch a movie and we say name wrong, pronounce it wrong, sorry about that. You understand? But big up yourself, you know. You give away a donation towards the mic. I want to big up Shireen, you understand, Amy, and I think Jerome. And I big up the whole family, you know, them give away a donation also to a mic. So big up yourself, whole heap of respect. And big up all our fans that have been a support Coloring Book TV. You understand? And everybody will check out for me during the incident when they got show. So as I say, me come on and now, you can see hand me go they dig out. You understand? Belly did rub off. You know, they get a little rub off on the foot or so. You understand? So everything come on. You know, so we're there now how we can have movies with film phone. So people, big up on yourself and big up everybody. And big up the actress them. You know, we have 2 new actresses. You know, you see one already on BFS Films, that is Lisa, and then big up Tibi, the actor, and you have Chelsea, one of the new actresses. Big up Shan Sedway, Tia, the whole family. You understand? And big up Alia also. And big up my little sister, who used to play a part in the movie, Ali. Big up Coloring Book TV. Big up everybody. And remember people, if you have any donation towards Coloring Book TV or True World TV towards a camera, you know, the number on the screen, contact us. Love you all. Big up on yourself. Room.